Want to hear a scary story? Once upon a time, there was an evil, insane maniac.
Bart, why can't you tell the story with the lights on?
Okay, you little babies. I can't find the light switch. It's gone! Everybody, come see. Once upon a time, there was a psychopathic strangler on the loose in a dark house. They couldn't see him, but they could hear his breathing. It was dark. All was silent. And then they heard it. The sound of the crafty vampire sucking blood from the neck of his latest victim. Listen. And now for the scariest story of all. Once upon a time, 3 little children sat shivering in the dark. Suddenly, they heard footsteps. Listen, you can almost hear them. Coming closer and closer. And then the footsteps stopped.